Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Feeling a bit hardworking today, so I'm releasing quite a number of videos. I mean, there's some pretty interesting opportunities presenting itself as recommended to me by my crypto millionaire friends, Ken, right? So today we're looking at Ken's favorite, one of his favorite coins, Kybernetwork. Let's see if we can see anything, we can glean anything interesting from these charts, yeah? So, I mean, just look at it, right? First impressions, what does it tell you? It's pretty volatile, don't you think? But volatile is not a bad thing. You shouldn't treat it as a bad thing, right? It's a good thing if you're a short-term trader looking to make a quick buck here and there, right? So let's see let's dive right in to try and look for any interesting trading opportunities. So now we're in the daily chart. Look at it, it's kind of crazy. The volatility is kind of crazy. Look at it. It's kind of nuts. But let's not be intimidated. April. Here, so this is the great crash. Okay, 19 May, alright. Recovered. Start and then went back down. Interesting. Okay. So let's just zoom this in a little bit. So it's a very interesting chart. Why do I say so, right? Because over here you can clearly see, right here, a double bottom. A double bottom. Right? Typically when this happens, we should draw a channel. Oh man, let me clear the drawings first. Alright, we should draw a channel here from here to here. Right, and this will be, yeah, where the channel will be. So what is an interesting observation, right? So if you were to draw a parallel channel, this is typically how we deal with double bottoms. See, as a sign of how volatile this is, right? Double bottom, and then double top, which is basically the reverse, straight back in. So now this presents an interesting trading opportunity, yeah? So it's clearly going to swing up, at least to here. So as a long-term trader, right, over the next few days, we can expect a movement, something like this, along the lines like this. 27% upside, wow, nice. We can set a stop loss around here. I think that's pretty decent. Yep, maybe a bit more. Yep, something like that. So we're looking at, for a long-term trader, we're gonna just dive right in, right? Long-term trader, we're looking at entry price. Let me just open this up. Entry price of, oh man, 503. Let's call it just 503. Take profit at 640. And stop loss at 452. So this means we're looking at a 27% upside over the next few days. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. If you're gonna be a bit more patient, you can even expect like a 40% upside. But I think that's a bit much to ask. A bit too much to ask. So just stop at a 27% upside. 27% is decent. Now let's look at a wider picture, if there's anything interesting to glean, that we can glean from. So at least prior to this week, yeah, last week, we can clearly see a channel. forming this way. Yeah? Oh, that's too much, yeah. You can see a channel forming this way with a similar parallel channel like that. Multiple times it tried to break out, but it went straight back into the channel. So now, as you can see, there's a little bit of space here. Just let me zoom right in. Right. There is, of course, now that we've drawn this new channel, there is a possibility that the upside is just here, right here, like that. Bringing it to like a 15% upside. That's okay, I guess. That's okay. For every $100, you earn $15. That's okay. However, I think quite more likely than not, now that it's in it is in its own channel, or a 25% is kind of more likely. So do consider trying for a 25%. Now this is the daily chart, so you're looking at least a 4 or 5 day progress, 4 or 5 day wait for progress, right? So now, what about the hourly chart for short-term traders? Well, this is the perfect time to go in actually. For the next few hours, you can see it's rebounded. It has finished retracement from its channel right here. See? What a nice little channel. Even if we were to bring it down, you can see what perfect alignment actually. Same, and it's even a, as you can see, pretty much a parallel, a really long, thin parallel channel. And now it's run out of space, looking to break out for potentially, what's this again? Potentially a 15% upside. It's a very tempting offer to enter actually. I'm actually thinking about it myself. Yeah, we were just looking at this 5-minute chart. Yeah, let me see. Let's see if we've missed anything, eh? The volatility is crazy here. Wow, look at this. It once was as high as, well, let's call it 38,000. And it's now at 8,000. Oh wait, no. 4,000. Will it ever reach the same heights? I don't think so. What kind of crazy volatility is this? How much would one have earned? 600%. That's crazy. 6 times your money. That's alright. Let's take it one step at a time, yeah? So yeah, pretty straightforward analysis I would imagine, as you can probably tell. So hopefully this video has helped you, inform you of your analysis of whether you should enter the trade. I did give some options for your consideration if you were to enter it. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, do consider liking and subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have any coins that you'd like me to help analyze, do drop it to me in a comment, and I'll do it for you ASAP. Alright. My crypto millionaire friend Ken does this a lot. Also, I am actually building a syllabus for a cryptocurrency trading course, which includes all the techniques that I've used in my videos and more. When to use which technique, how is this technique used, how is it interpreted, right? And if you're interested in such a course, do drop me a DM or something. Drop me an email, which you can find in the information section, about me section, and we can work something out. So, Again, hopefully you found this useful, and if you did, do consider liking and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.